Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use screen time on your iPhone. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do this, all you want to do is go to Settings. From here, you then have to scroll down, you'll then see an option for screen time. Go ahead and select that. As you can see, my daily average is a little over 3 hours, but if I want to go ahead and start adding app limits and using screen time, all I want to do is scroll down and click on app limits right here. Should be the second option. I already have a couple limits set, but in order to add another one, go ahead and click add limit right here. From here, I can then choose a certain category. I'll go ahead and just choose social, for example. I can do all, or if I can click on the arrow beside it, I can go ahead and choose one or multiple different social platforms. So say if I want to do TikTok and Instagram together, I'll go ahead and choose those two, click on next. I can then change the time for however I want. So say if I want to just be on it for an hour a day, I'll go ahead and change it for an hour and click set right here. I can do an hour every day if I want to and click add. As you can see, it is now added to my app limits. And once I have done an hour on Instagram and TikTok, it will then pop up saying that you've used all your screen time. And the three options are usually you can add an extra minute, add an extra 15 minutes, or get rid of the screen time for that day. However, the screen time will pop up every single day until you decide to turn it back off. So this is how you use screen time on your iPhone. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.